808 Scotty Town.
Marvel, you a deadbeat.
I don't watch out when you ain't no stranger. They don't know nothing about this life that we living. Better keep that thing on you. Yeah, better keep that thing on you. Really came out from the gutter, run up a mill and put on my brothers. Bought a brand new Cuban, got it flooded. Fly you in private, we pop out in public. You wouldn't believe all the shit that I been through and got past, boy, I turned nothing into something. Pull up in all black trucks, singing like I'm the president, bro, in the back with 100. Fighting Taliban, I'm in the mirror. If it ain't about money, you ain't talking clearly. Smoking on line, I don't think that you hear. On my way around the trenches, ain't talking in serious. I know some niggas that's praying and wishing I'm falling. They don't wanna see me win. Ain't worried about them as fuck, they gon' see me bombing when I'm in St. Phil. I ain't gon' win and you do nothing hanging. Free all my brothers like down, find cases. Parents, they said I won't make it in doubt. Now I'm on tour, tell them look at me now. If you ain't my damn when he ain't around. Smoking exotic, I roll out the pound. Came from nothing, look where we at now. They don't wanna see a young nigga that's proud. Ballin' like Kobe and Shaq when I went Marvel. VVS on the Cuban lake, you see I'm sparkling. Jumped in the deep and I landed with sharks in it. I can't tell you about love cause I'm hard. I don't watch out when you ain't no stranger. They don't know nothing about this life that we living. Better keep that thing on you. Yeah, better keep that thing on you. Really came out from the gutter, run up a mill and put on my brothers. Bought a brand new Cuban, got it flooded. Fly you in private, we pop out in public. You wouldn't believe all the shit that I been through and got past, boy, I turned nothing into something. Pull up in all black trucks, singing like I'm the president, bro, in the back with 100. Yeah, bro, in the back with 100. Yeah, when all my money time to run it. Yeah, turning up doing this shit on my own, unless a label gon' give me a budget. Bro, put a switch on the back of a Glock, all you gotta do is press a button. I'm tryna tell you something you ain't never seen before, I'm from with 100. How you gon' win and you ain't right within? If I could pat down, bro, sneaking it in. Tryna count $1 million up in my crib. Bitch, you proud I put that on my bin. Even Marty spend his blood on your 10. Pop out in Vino like I got no friends. Came up from nothing, I deserve to win. I don't watch out when you ain't no stranger. They don't know nothing about this life that we living. Better keep that thing on you. Yeah, better keep that thing on you. Really came out from the gutter, run up a mill and put on my brothers. Bought a brand new Cuban, got it flooded. Fly you in private, we pop out in public. You wouldn't believe all the shit that I been through and got past, boy, I turned nothing into something. Pull up in all black trucks, singing like I'm the president, bro, in the back with 100.